Hi, how are you guys? I have not done this in a very long time. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been on my channel before. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if you've never been on my channel before. You may have noticed I'm in a new place. This is my new flat. I have moved out. I have moved in with my boyfriend, which is probably a whole nother video, but yeah. I live with my boyfriend now, and we live together, and that's a thing. Oh yeah, do you like this like weird setup? Like literally these plants are right in the middle of the room to make it look like I am like a YouTuber. I'm trying to make it look like I a YouTuber today, and this is the thing. This is a very spontaneous video today. I bought this bag a while ago, back in May, I think. I have actually had like a little peek at it. I don't buy designer bags very often, and when I do, I normally always get them discounted because I can't afford to buy like retail price designer bags. I wanted to treat myself because I love this bag a lot, and I have actually like sneaked a little peek because basically, I wasn't meant to be moving in with my boyfriend. Like, we hadn't discussed it, and then all of a sudden we just moved in, and then there was like 2 months where it was all just wow, and this bag I haven't opened it because it's been sat there for 2.5 months, although I have had a sneak peek because I did want to make sure it was actually the bag that I ordered, just in case it got too late for me to send it back. So I kind of have opened it, but I also haven't opened it properly, like I haven't properly looked at it. So yeah, who's excited? I'm excited. Sorry, I'm just getting my tea. Got one of those really basic pink IKEA cups. I went to IKEA and spent £50 on plants, as demonstrated. I'm gonna stop rambling. So, I bought a bag. Here's the box. I bought it from, I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it Fazeri? 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 Maybe it's Fazeri. I don't know. Yeah, and I bought a bag off them before. This was in 2016. I bought an Alexander Wang bag, which I stopped wearing. It's so heavy. This is the one with all the studs on the bottom. And basically, I don't know, it's a bit of a weird website. I don't know what accent that was, Kayla. It's a bit of a strange website. Like, you go on there and they've got like a mixture of things that are amazing and things that are kind of a little bit weird, and you feel like they've all just gone to this one site to kind of, I don't know, to be discounted. Often you'll find bags on there that are like really classic bag. They have some Givenchy and Alexander Wang, but they have them in a weird colour or a weird pattern, or you know, it's just a little bit weird. If you spend lots of time on there searching for everything, you can often find something quite good, and everything is always discounted. Like, they often have 30, 40, 50, 60, sometimes 70% off. It was, how much was it? I don't know. Should we just unbox it, shall we? Anyway, we're opening it. We are opening the bag. Come on. Oh, who else hates opening these kind of boxes? Like, you just want to see my bag. This means, once I've unboxed this, this means that I can actually start wearing it. Fazeri, thank you. We want to make sure you received your pamphlet bill. Basically, you get a nice little card with it saying thanks for buying stuff from us. It was all wrapped up. I did have a sneak peek to make sure that it was okay. Look what it is! Now, as you can see, it's Moschino. I had really gone off Moschino. You know, it had that Barbie thing, everyone loved pink at the time, and everyone was obsessed with it. Like, you either love it or you hate it. It's really tacky. I like that. I know a lot of people don't like that. That's totally up to you. That's fine. I like it. I like pink, obviously. I had really gone off Moschino. I find some of their collections really bizarre. I just don't understand. But then occasionally they'll come out with a really weird collection that is amazing. And I think that this is one of them. It's been out for probably about a year now. And when it first came out, I was like, oh my god, I need everything. And obviously can't really afford that. So I was like, you know what, I will wait. I saw this bag. If I have to have anything out of the collection, it's that bag. And I will have that bag at some point. It will be my like yearly designer bag treat. I was like praying that this bag would go onto Vestiaire. Not Vestiaire. Actually, yeah, I have been looking on Vestiaire for it, but it hasn't cropped up on there. It was on for Ziri, and I was like, I know I'm saying that wrong, I'm so sorry. I knew that it would be reduced at some point on for Ziri. Oh god, I can't bloody talk. Like, what is wrong with me? So I saw it on there, and I waited and waited and waited and waited, and they just weren't reducing it. I was like, when are you going to reduce it? And then one day I went on there, and it was 45% off. I was just there like, most of the other ones had sold out, and I was like, I need to get it now, otherwise it's going to sell out, and I'm not going to be able to get it anywhere else because it's sold out everywhere else, or it's still full price everywhere else, or it's only like 10% off. I think it was 10% off on Farfetch, and I was like, no, can't deal with that. So anyway, bought it off for Ziri that day, there and then, and I was like, yes, and now I have it, and it's taken me 2.5 months to open it. So next, here's the dust bag, and I'm gonna tidy it up. Right. That was a really boring unveiling, wasn't it? It was just me going, yes. I was just too eager to get it out of the thing. Anyway, it is this backpack. And I know so many people probably hate this, but I think it's so pretty. Like, I love My Little Pony. I love that it's like gold details. I don't know, there's something that I like about pastel colours and gold. Maybe it's like a, I don't know. I don't really know what to say about it other than I love it. Zip's good. I approve of the zip. The zip is very good. And then inside here you get the little certificate of authenticity. Thank you. Very nice. Gotta love a good certificate of authenticity. This bag is actually really big. One of the reasons why I wanted it. I'm sorry about this. Like, what? You can basically, if you want to know how big the inside of this bag is, you can fit all of these bits of paper inside it. So I would say that's very big, as, you know, a general estimate of size. I'm gonna like take all the things off this bag and put it together, and then we're gonna look at it. Put the entire thing together now. This is the bag. I just think it's so pretty, and I just love it. I know that some people probably think it's what? And it's also like, you paid that much for a backpack? But I did. I really did. I went there. This is so shiny. I like it. The design details are nice. That is what I would say about this bag. Look how big it is in comparison to my face. The design on the front is so pretty as well. The straps have like the classic Moschino logo embroidered into them, and oh, it's just pretty. I love it, and I have no regrets because I have wanted this bag for so long. So long. I'm just so happy that I finally have it. Yeah, I think, is that about it? Is that what people discuss in videos about unboxing designer bags? I don't know. Like, yeah, I like it. It's a pretty bag. I don't know if designer things are something that you guys want to see from me. If you guys would like to see like my designer bag collection, it's not very big, like in comparison to some YouTubers, or my designer shoe collection. I only have one pair of designer shoes, so that would be brief. I could just do my designer item collection, because that might actually be enough items to fill up an entire video. So yeah, I don't know. You guys let me know if that is something that you're interested in. I really, really hope that you like this video and that you like my bag. I mean, you don't have to like my bag, I don't care. Does anyone find filming YouTube videos and saying goodbye is like, you know, the English thing where you can't like say goodbye on the phone? You're like, bye, 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 bye. It's the same thing. Also, my voice changes when I do YouTube. I'm just here listening to myself like, why are you talking like this? There's something wrong with you. It's like that video with that guy that does the weird funny voice after, like, there's like a pothole thing that falls in, like a... Yeah, I'm going now. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please do blah blah blah, subscribe and whatever if you want to, I don't know. Try and do this more often. It's been a while. Actually have good light and like a weird setup. Like, this is literally right in the middle of the room right now, just so that it looks like I have a cool plant in the background, because I'm a YouTuber. Why so weird? I am 25 years old. I should really grow up. No.